The rear opening, located on the backside, provides additional security against theft. Inside, numerous pockets allow you to better organize your personal belongings and keep devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers safe. The side pocket provides quick access to essential items, always within reach. The bag has two convenient internal compartments, a mesh pocket, plus a removable waterproof pouch to protect your belongings. The inner bag is equipped with a roll-top closure, which guarantees impermeability. At least 3 turns are required to seal it properly. The front of the bag has a practical pocket, ideal for carrying up to 2 water bottles. If your water bottles have a snap hook, you can attach them to the top strap for added security. The front pocket has an adjustable buckle to tighten it. The excess can be closed with a Velcro fastener. To mount the bag on the case, unhook the 2 lower snap hooks and stow the shoulder straps in the dedicated back pocket. We pass the straps through the loops of the suitcase as shown in the video. We insert the straps in the doubled rings of the bag. Roll up the excess and fasten it in the elastic band as in the video. Repeat the operation for all fixing points. To mount the bag, cross the straps on the rack or under the saddle. Make sure you run the strap in several places for extra security. Fix the strap in the double D rings, located in the 4 corners of the bag. Blocks the excess as shown in the video.